how to create pin in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a pin in Messenger to keep your chat secure. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here, once you are on the menu section, at the top you can see the option labeled as settings. So simply tap on it, and now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as privacy and safety. And now here, once you're inside the privacy and safety, look for the option that says end-to-end encrypted chats and simply tap on it. And now here, once you're in this section, simply select message storage. And now here inside the message storage, just tap on the option labeled as turn on secure storage. And now you'll be asked to choose a security option. So here, just create a 6-digit pin, and after that, just wait a moment while Messenger sets everything up, and once completed, you'll see that your pin is now active and your messages are more secure. And that's it. That's how you can create pin in Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.